my university days, one of the foundational principles we were taught in civil procedure was that the court is not a Father Christmas. In simple terms, the court cannot grant a relief that was not specifically sought by a party before it. On Friday, the Court of Appeal rightfully nullified the judgment of Justice Uche Agomoh in a suit, in a PDP caretaker leadership tussle suit. But let's be clear, this should never have been necessary. In an act of judicial overreach, Justice Uche Agomoh graciously gifted declarations that no party in the suit had asked for. She went beyond the reliefs sought for and manufactured outcomes from the bench. This is not justice. This is judicial charity. That is what I call it. Therefore, the role of court is to adjudicate on the claims and issues brought before it, and not to create remedies that litigants never requested for, or dispense unsolicited reliefs like Father Christmas. This clearly undermines the very foundation of our adversarial system. It is about judicial restraint and adherence to established legal principles. If court begins to grant relief sought outside the claims presented by parties, the certainty and the predictability that underpins our judicial system may be undermined. The implications are significant. First, it reinforces the principle that judges must remain within the confines of the case presented before it. Secondly, it serves as a reminder that the appellant court remains vital safeguard against judicial errors. And thirdly, it may affect public confidence in the administration of justice when decisions are perceived as deepening from settled legal principle. Naturally, one is tempted to even ask, what informed Justice Agomoh's decision to grant a relief that was not sought? While it is important to avoid speculations about motives behind her actions, the appellant court's intervention highlights the necessity for court to exercise caution and remain firmly guided by the law and the relief sought by litigants. The issue before us is therefore not merely about one judgment, it is about preserving the integrity of the judicial process. The law is clear. Court exists to dispense justice according to law, not to assume the role of benefactors dispensing unsolicited remedies. As members of the legal community and concerned citizens, we must continue to uphold the principle that justice is best served when court operates within the boundaries established by law. Once those boundaries are crossed, the danger is that the court may inadvertently assume the role of the very Father Christmas our lecturers warned us against many years ago. Follow us for more tips